welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we're going to do a Shein clothing haul. This is going to be a summer clothing haul. I was really excited to make this video today for you guys. So I cannot wait to try everything and show it to you guys how it looks like, the quality, and I will also be rating it. So before we get into the videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload any video. So altogether I think I have ordered almost 20 items, and the very first item which I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful button front hem striped dress. As soon as I saw this dress, I was totally in love. So this is what it looks. The quality is really nice and it's stitched really well. I absolutely love it. I would basically give this dress a 10 out of 10. It is true to size for sure. Really cute summer outfits which I cannot wait to try. So the next one is called the off-shoulder layered sleeve floral dress, and it looks so cute. So oh my god, I didn't even realize that these things had tagged. So when I actually received my order, basically what I did, I took all of this out, I washed them, dried them, and then finally I'm doing this haul. So this is the item which I just showed you in the picture. So this is what it looks like. It is really cute. It's really stretchy around the bust area and the torso area, and it fits me so nicely. It has kind of like a frill thing at the very bottom, so it has kind of like 3 layers of frill on it, and it just makes this look really flowy and really girly. It just gives me a girly vibe. So I really like this too, so I am giving this a 10 out of 10 as well, and I will insert a clip so you can take a look at how it actually looks on me. This stunning dress comes in other colors as well. Brown, something like this. Sorry, the reflection through my window is coming up. This is kind of giving me a fall vibes. And then there's another one in blue as well. And this is really stunning as well. The next item is this beautiful print ruffle cuff ALine dress, and it's in leopard prints. I actually do not own anything in leopard print. That's why I really wanted to try this dress and see, because I feel like on my complexion, the leopard print dresses or tops or whatever clothing item it is, it definitely looks so flattering. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go a little further. Tell me if you can see it. It is a really good material. It's not very thin, so this is something definitely for summer. If you are looking for something really comfortable, you can also order this in your own size. You don't have to size up or size down. It has a elastic thing around your hip area, so it just basically hugs your hip area. It looks really cute. I like it. I'm going to give this dress a 10 out of 10 as well. I forgot to mention that this does come in other colors as well. There's this green leopard print. There's a red one too, but I really like the original color. The next one is called Floral ALine dress. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go back a little bit. This is a knee-length dress as well. So all the dresses which I just showed you are just above knee length. This one is kind of has the altar top kind of vibe. There's a really nice embroidery work, which I absolutely love. It has a elastic thingy as well on your waist area. So it hugs your waist and looks really cute. It is flare, has a button at the back to tie it or to button up, and you could also dress this up or dress it down. Really great quality. It has a silky kind of material, which I love. So definitely 10 out of 10. The next item I'm going to show you guys is the floral print. I know I ordered a lot of dresses and a lot of it is really floral because I was imagining this beautiful summer vibes. For some reason, I only attract to these floral stuff. I know. If you look at my closet, half of it is just floral stuff. Let me know if you can relate to me. So the next one I am going to talk about is the floral print knotted cami dress. And it looks really cute in the picture. So this is what it looks like. And it comes in another color. It feels like it's a lighter color, but I ordered the brighter one. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It comes with these two ties where you could adjust and tie it accordingly. Your chest area part is really stretchy, which is amazing. And then the bottom area is really flare. Like, you can take a look at it. I'm just gonna go a little back so you can take a look at the full dress. It is so cute. You could definitely wear a jean jacket on top and make it look all cute. And I am definitely loving this. The quality of the material is awesome. I would definitely recommend this. A 10 out of 10 as well. Dress is Shein polka dot knot side ruffle trim wrap cami dress. So when I was actually ordering this dress, I didn't realize that this was a wrap dress. I do not like wrap dress because for some reason I have a really hard time putting it on. This is what it looks like. So it is open. I kind of like tied it in the middle. Show you guys how it's going to look. So it is open like this, and these are the adjustable straps. So just put it in like this. I'm not sure. I was hoping there would be another strap thingy attached here somewhere, but I don't see it, so I don't even know how to wear this dress. I know. I feel like I have to attach something here so I could tie this part here and wrap this around. I don't know how to work this. So if you're somebody who ordered this and know how to wear this, please reach out to me. I need help here. But yes, so the material is perfect for summer. It's really flare. However, I would give this dress a 5 out of 10. Reason why is because, girl, there's no straps. How do I tie this? How do I tie this here and then here? And then I don't know. So yeah, I would give this dress 5 out of 10. So if you're somebody who is an expert in wearing these wrap dresses, reach out to me. I need help. The next item is this tie front ditzy floral cami dress. Again, floral. I know, I can't help it, but this is what it looks like. It looks so cute, you guys. So it has 4 tying straps in the front, 2 each side, and there's each single ones on the back. The waist area is, again, it has this elastic thing, so it's really stretchy, and the bottom is really flare. So this is what it looks like, and the back is just plain simple. Material is so nice. It's kind of thin, however, that's what we need during summer. We don't need any kind of thicker material or anything like that. So this is why I chose this. It is really cute. I am absolutely loving it. So the next outfit is called the gold dot ruffle ALine dress without the belt. And this is what it looks like. At the very beginning, as soon as I saw this dress, I was like, you know what, I have to get it because For some reason, I really like a turtleneck and a long sleeve dress. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. It would be perfect for any occasion. This is what it looks like. It has golden vibes going on here. It has long sleeves, a ruffle around your wrist area. There's ruffles also going on around the front of the dress, and ruffles are at the bottom of the dress. This dress is so amazing. If I could give it a 20, I would definitely give this. You could definitely dress this up or dress it down. This is going to be my go-to. I am absolutely loving it. So this one is the Ditzy Floral Split Thigh Cami dress, and it is so cute, you guys. It comes in 5 colors. However, I picked a red one because I feel like I barely own any red clothing. So I ordered this one right here. It is so gorgeous, and I absolutely love the slit work on this dress. And here are some other colors. Not a big fan of the color green, but this is what it looks like. It is very beautiful, but I ordered another yellow dress, so I was like, no for this. This is a cute mint color. It is very beautiful. So this is what the dress looks like. I'm going to go a little back. Can you guys see it? Very thin material, definitely perfect for summer. The straps are adjustable, which is awesome. It has a zipper at the back as well, so it's easy to wear it. It's a straight cut dress and has a sexy slit as well. Definitely love this dress, perfect for summer. The next dress it's called the off-shoulder floral print dress. So this is what it looks like. I found it really cute because it is a off-shoulder dress. It comes in 4 different colors. It comes in white. This is really cute as well. I loved it, but I didn't have anything in navy blue, so I picked that one. There's a pink one as well. There's a blue one. This is stunning, but I already got a blue dress, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to pick a little something different. This is what it looks like. It is true to size. The torso area or hip area is stretchy, so do not size up or size down. And the length is just above your knee. It's such a stunning piece, you guys. Perfect for summer. The material is not very thin, not very thick, just perfect. Definitely great quality. I would give this dress a 10 out of 10 as well. So the next dress is this beautiful button front sleeveless belted A-line dress. It looks so cute. It comes in 3 colors. This is a really cute black button-up dress. Other color is the army green color. It comes in dusty pink color as well. So this is what it looks like. The material is a little different. It's kind of like a thicker material. It has really nice button details on it. The hip area is not stretchy at all, guys, so size up because you definitely want to be comfortable. Definitely recommend it. I will give this a 10 out of 10 as well. The next dress is this stunning button dual pocket cami dress, and as soon as I saw this dress, I fell in love with this one as well. This is such a cute outfit. It has 2 pockets in front and it's buttoned down. It comes in 3 different colors, so this was the yellow one which I ordered. There's a baby pink one too, and there's another one in navy blue. This is what the dress looks like. This is what it looks like. The strap is adjustable, which is awesome. The back of the dress is stretchy. It has elastic work at the back. The waist of the dress is not stretchy. definitely size up, but it is really cute. The material is thick, it's really good quality, so I would definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10.